Hello there. This is the 8th dance in the series of Dancing with Virtuals, and it is a 6-couple dance. It's called Stepping Out at Dinder, which is the hall where we dance on a Wednesday, and the music is 3 around 3, and it's played by the English Country Dance Band. And it starts off with all 6 couples or 12 people circling left about 8 steps and then circling back again. Then there's 3 groups of 4. That's the ones with the 2s, the 3s with the 4s, and the 5s with the 6s. Within those 4s you do a right hand star and a left hand star. All very straightforward. That's the first 16 bars, I think, yes. And then the ones, so I'm a number 1 and my partner here is a number 1. We change places with the right hand and we cross over to the other side and look down. The next you change places with the number 2. Just change. That number 2 goes behind me, and then right hand with the 3rd, left with the 4th, and so on until you get to the bottom, and then you change back over with your partner, so you're back on the men's side or the ladies on the ladies' side, but you're at the far end. After that, with your partner, you do-si-do across the set, and then you have a little swing with her, and that's all there is to it. So without further ado, once again, we'll start the music. There's a short excuse me, I was just out of grammar there. There's a short intro, and then off we go with all circle left. Everybody. I'm out of sight. You're out again, back the other way. In groups of 4, right hand star. And the left. Ones change across the set, and left, and right, and left, and right, and left, and change back to the other side with your partner, do-si-do. And have a swing with your partner, nobody else. Oh, everybody circle left. And back again. Here I am. And your 4 is the right hand star. And the left. Ones change places with your partner across the set. And left, right, and left, right, and left, and then back across. With a do-si-do with your partner. And a little swing. Off we go again, circle left. Back again. In your 4 is a right hand star. And back with the left. Ones change places with their partner, and then chain down the line. And left and back across with your partner, do-si-do, and give them a swing. And that's probably enough for now. That goes through a total of 6 times, so that you all end up, excuse me a moment, here I am, back in the same place where you started. A lovely dance and very simple. Bye-bye.